Recovering deleted messages on WhatsApp can be crucial for retrieving important information. Follow these steps to attempt recovery. Step 1. Check archive chats. Open WhatsApp and scroll to the bottom of your chat list. Tap on Archive Chats to see if the deleted messages are stored there. Step 2. Restore from backup. Go to WhatsApp settings, then tap on Chats and select Chat Backup. Check the date of the last backup to see if it was made before the messages were deleted. If so, you can uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp to restore from that backup. Step 3. Use Google Drive or iCloud. If you have backed up your chats to Google Drive for Android or iCloud for iPhone, uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall it. During the setup, you will be prompted to restore your chat history from the cloud backup. Step 4. Check local backups Android. For Android users, WhatsApp automatically creates local backups every day. Use the File Manager to navigate to the WhatsApp folder on your device. Find the Databases folder and look for backup files. Rename the desired backup file to MSGstore DB Grip12 and reinstall WhatsApp to restore it. Step 5. Use third-party recovery tools. If the above methods do not work, consider using third-party recovery tools designed for WhatsApp. Research and choose a reputable tool, then follow its instructions to recover deleted messages. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages on WhatsApp can be challenging, these steps provide several methods to try. Always ensure you regularly back up your chats to avoid future loss.